You have now in Utica one of the most remarkable technology companies in the world.
We are the only independent silicon carbide producer of these modules of the power modules that we do, and we work with global leaders like General Electric. So a lot of excitement. Actually for Silicon Power, we have a strong track record. We have a very strong position today in Europe. And for us strategically, it was important to be able to now get our beachhead in North America so that we can start now to accelerate. And I think that's what happens now.